Zand Decongest Herbal Cough Syrup, 8 ounces. Product details. Suggested use as a dietary supplement. Adults and children over the age of 12, use 1 tablespoon at bedtime and every 2 to 4 hours or as needed. Decongest Herbal Cough Syrup Menthol and 8 ounces liquid. Children under 2 not recommended or as directed by your healthcare professional. Other ingredients. Active ingredients. Mentholum, menthol, 1x congestion, nasal discharge, cough, colds, drosera, rotundifolia, sundew. 3x relieves sinus pressure, tightness of chest, sneezing, runny nose, cough, colds, guiacum. 3x relieves coughs, bronchitis. Inactive ingredients. Citric acid, eucalyptus essential oil, fructose, honey, mullein leaf extract, natural color, sodium benzoate, USP purified water, USP grain alcohol, 12, xanthan gum. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Directions. Dosage. As needed.